Hey, this is Rick Mouery with Mouery's Flooring, and today we're doing some more virtual shopping. Today we're doing our luxury vinyl stocked products. We have all kinds of luxury vinyl here in stock. We have the tile looks, the wood looks, different species, widths, colors. So up on the wall are some tile looks that we have, and then some wood looks, a gray and a beige up there. Luxury vinyl, if you don't know anything about it or if you've heard about it, it's just an extremely durable floor. It's waterproof, it's pet proof, it's kid proof. It's just one of the most well-rounded floors there is on the market right now. Here at Mouery's, we only stock good quality luxury vinyl because there's a big difference between what I consider the box store type brands and quality and a good quality luxury vinyl. So we don't mess with the cheap stuff here. We just have good quality luxury vinyl. So we buy these and sometimes truckloads, pallet type deals, so you get a good value for what it is for our in-stock options. So here's some different, if you follow me on the floor here, some different luxury vinyls that we stock. These all have like a beveled edge. Some of them have a high definition embossing. You can actually feel these cracks, feel the knot holes, feel the texturing on them, and that beveled edge gives it a really sharp hardwood look. We're able to sell the air vents that match also. These air vents are really nice. It's a really sharp addition. It's just a flush mount, so they kind of blend in with your floor, but you still have your air vent there. These are all different thicknesses too. Most of these are 8 millimeters on the floor here. These over on this side, again, these are all stuff we have in stock. These are all 12 millimeters thick, so they're considered Cortex premium luxury vinyl. They have the high def embossing where you can feel all the texture, and they have the beveled edge also. Some darks, some lights, grays, and some like more redder looks, luxury vinyl here. So we're still offering all through the month of April free delivery on any purchase, free local delivery. We can deliver some samples for free if you just want us to bring some stuff to you, and we're still doing measurements, and we still have our quality guaranteed installation.